she may kind of, miss her mark and kind of go off. And she usually does more of the fast pace, like the frisbee and the agility stuff. So she probably won't do too much, but we'll try to get her out here and get her to do something. So Lyric's specialties, if you haven't seen her already, she likes to jump. Stay on your mark, Lyric. Jump. Of course, it's a dog jumping through a hoop. Easy stuff. So slide. Can you do it yourself? Get it. I have to take this off. Okay. There you go. To the hoop. There we go. She doesn't need me. There we go. Good job. Come out here. Oh, medium. Don't pay you. Here. Viola. There you go. Stand the mark. All right. Let me jump on. Oh, a little slip. Can you jump up there again? Oh, careful. Stay. Oh, stay. Oh, there we go. Get right in my ear. Thank you. All right. Okay, come here. Sit here. You'll notice she'll go for those slippers about 1 million times. She has foot fetish, I guess. Here, let's take it. She's naked. What can you do? Come here. Can you jump? She talks a lot. Probably doesn't say anything. Come on. Over here. Weave. There you go. Come on. One more. Yay. Good girl. Oh, you missed. That was my thumb. Okay. Come back up there. Oh, wait. You want to jump the hoop, baby. You're not as good as your sister. Shh. Viola. There we go. There we go. Very good. All right. Come here, Viola. You back up there. Lyric's kind of the star. Come here, Lyric. Somehow you weave. Good girl. Let's get this out. Yeah. And this is actually kind of new, so everything's fun for her. Come on. Come here. You are. Whoops. Which, this is good because now I know that if we do anything inside, I should bring those non-skip things.
Nuh-uh. I need that dog. So cute.
Over here. Come here. Get that. Over there.
Oh my god, I wish I could do that one.
Oh, there we go.
That is awesome.
She really comes in handy sometimes. Especially during cold season. Sometimes I forget she knows that and I sneeze and I see her ring.
That's hilarious.
Now we do just useless stuff. Get it. There. One at a time, please. Oh, I missed. Almost. There we go. All right. She used to try to put these over her head. We get that one?
So,
That's when we
how did you get her to do this?
She just picks up anything I drop. Yay!
My dog does that.
Furry vacuum. That's amazing. Good for you. My dog's
Have a crap ass.
They can sit.
Here. Oh, you missed. Viola. Viola doesn't play. Maybe she'll just be defense. Come here. Viola, Mark. Good girl. Here, how about a treat instead of a ball? All right, you stay. Lyric. There we go.
Don't shoot.
Lyric, she's going to make it. Hurry. Come on. Sometimes it's hot. All right. Thank you. Oh, you're going to get me? All right. How many points you got? All right. Viola. Viola, you come here with me. We have that. Lyric. Where's my slipper? Lyric, come here. Where's my slippers? Come here. You want up here. Slippers. There, thank you. All right. Good. Where's the other one? Lyric. Slipper. She's like,
Oh.
she's like, they're in a different place. was one we just started on.
Oh, part of the show.
Got